Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to explain how you can actually install an Benchmark application in any Android device in 2025. So first thing, let's go to the website Benchmark, so where you can actually download the application directly from the official website. So just go to the Google website and there you can enter Antutu Benchmark, and there you will be getting the first link, which is the antutu.com. So once you open the link, there you will be able to see on the top, so which says download, and click on the download button. So once you click on the download button, so there you'll get the multiple options. So now let me show you exactly what are the options you have to select. So now click on the first two options. So these are the two options you have to select. So first click on the download, and there you'll be able to download the latest version of 10 version at this moment. And next click on the download 3D Mark standard. So these are the two options you have to select. So once you select, let me to show you. So these are the two files. So one is of 76 MB, second is of close to 1 GB. So let me to allow the permission for the Google Chrome browser and click on the install. So right now I'm trying to install the Benchmark application, and there is another 3D benchmark also you have to install. So click on go back and now try to install. As you can see, Benchmark 3D benchmark. So overall, two applications you have to install to make the Benchmark work. So let me to go to the Benchmark application and open that. So right now, as you can see friends, so our benchmark application has been successfully installed, and this is the latest version of 10.4.4. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra which I'm trying to use, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is the latest powerful processor. So that's what I'm going to test in this device with the latest benchmark application in this smartphone. So in this way, you'll be able to install the benchmark application in any Android device in the 2025. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you like this live wallpaper, check the links in description. There you can actually find the links for the live wallpaper like this. Until then, signing off and bye.